how to fix TikTok story option not showing. So if you want to fix your TikTok story option not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your App Store, and from the App Store, you need to search for TikTok. After searching for TikTok, you need to just simply tap on it. And then if you have any updates on your TikTok, just simply go and update it. Because if you have any updates, some glitches might be there on your TikTok. You might feel that glitch is like story option not showing or the message option not showing, something like that. So make sure that you have updated the TikTok application. After updating your TikTok, you can go back and then you need to open up your TikTok application and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. And from apps, you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of a TikTok. So tap on TikTok application. And then you need to scroll down and turn off the background app refresh. The next thing you need to do is if you've opened your TikTok and if it is in your background, then you can just simply go and remove it from your background and your problem might be fixed. You can uninstall your TikTok application and then again reinstall it. Or if you don't want to uninstall it, you can just simply open up your settings, go with general. From general, you need to go with iPhone storage. And from the iPhone storage, you need to scroll down a bit, tap on TikTok, and then tap on offload app. After offloading, just again reinstall it and your problem might be fixed. That's it. These were the fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.